G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make kale chips in an air fryer in 2 minutes. How cool is that? Let's go. Like now. Really now, let's go this way.
Simple Cooking channel.
Alright guys, for this, pretty easy. For those of you who have not ever used an air fryer, this is going to be awesome. So for this particular recipe that I just sort of tinkered around and made it up, you turn your air fryer on. I put mine to 200 and then I just go down for 3 minutes and this will preheat it. So just preheat for 3 minutes, and when that has elapsed, we will proceed. Alright, just start with putting some kale in a bowl. Get some coconut oil. That's what I use anyway. That might seem like a lot, because it is, but just mix it all into it, massage it through. Look at that, holy mother load. Now you can just leave it like that, or I like to add a few things to it. Just a little bit of salt. I use pink Himalayan salt. Add a little bit of paprika, or maybe a lot. Some thyme leaves, just for a bit of fun, a bit of Moroccan seasoning. And try to get some in the bowl if you can. Now just mix it through. Get back in there. I saw you. Where'd you go? Now just preheat your air fryer. I do it at 200 degrees, 3 minutes as a preheat. Then we'll pop that in. It only takes 2 minutes. How cool is that? That's preheated. Now just, there you go, chuck the kale in. Spread it out a little bit if you can. Oh, look at that. Now just 2 minutes and you're done. Depending on also your air fryer, if your air fryer maybe isn't quite as powerful as mine, try 3 minutes, but just, you know, trial and error until you get what works with yours. Now we're ready for the reveal. Holy yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, look at it. Well, we'll just put it in a little bowl. Wow, look at that. Ho ho. Well, I hope you like these. Oh yeah, look at that. Do-do-do-do-do. Yeah. Alright, let's try it. Mm. 10-second rule. So good. I'll see you next time for my next meal. Baby.
Simple